Going to do a quick video on some cab armor that we recently added to our Cat Next Gen 305. We do a lot of forestry work with this machine, and it can just get sketchy, especially when you're running a brush cutter, which is mostly what we do. Debris tends to just fly back at that windshield. It's just glass. And no matter what angle you keep that cutter at, sometimes, if you're cutting on an angle on banks or something, things can just come flying back at you. So I wanted a layer of protection, just so I didn't have to worry about, a branch or something coming back and hit me in the face or something like that. There's not a whole lot of options when it comes to armor for these. I know Cat makes a set. I want to say it's over $5,000 for that. So I went with a set from Bedrock Attachments here. I'll zoom in on the data tag on this. I thought it was really reasonably priced, and I kind of liked how it looked. So this is a wire guard in the front here. It's held on by 4 bolts, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. And I did have to make some brackets up here to give this some standoff off of the windshield for 2 reasons. One, so that the windshield wiper could move and do its thing. And also so that I could get my hand in there, or my arm in there, if I wanted to wipe the windscreen down. So the second piece of this is a giant steel plate up top there, and I'll get up on a ladder so I can get a better view of that. So there's the top plate that's on there. The thing is really, really heavy. I kind of had to take it apart and put it up on top of the machine and then reattach this door on here. So this graded portion, you can see it's on gas cylinders and hinges. And when you undo these 2 latches in the front, it swings to the upright position, and it'll stay in the upright position too if you want it that way. So it's a very, very heavy steel plate. It's held on by the factory mounting points here on top of the cab, and it looks really good on there. So the factory light here, I had to drill some holes in here to mount this. It can be mounted here, but your wire is not long enough then to connect to it. So I just drilled this out, moved it back. And the thought process is too that, if I want to take this front guard off because we're doing dirt work, it's 4 bolts and it's right off, and I don't got to mess around with taking the light on and off then. So I want to say this set probably weighs around 300 pounds or so. It arrives in a big wood crate. I got it in a day. I have no affiliation whatsoever with this company. I'm happy with how this came out and how it looks on the machine, and I just wanted to share a video on it because, again, when I was looking for cab armor for this, I struggled to find a set, even pictures. It was hard to even find pictures. I couldn't find a single picture of a 305 with this on it, or even the Cat version. So that's it. Hope this was helpful to some people.